your boy Kobe, and today, as you guys see, it is me and my pops, and we got the toys out with us. Honestly, I don't even know what we're doing yet. I just know we're using the skid steer and the excavator, but I'm gonna show you guys right now. We're excavating all the rocks and the red rocks.
Bricks, yeah, those ones.
Yeah, the red bricks, and then just separating them, right?
That's it.
Cool. Mm. Good morning, guys. As you can see, we just got to the job site and my dad literally just started, took the first scoops out and literally worked like gravy. So that's basically all we're doing. He's just ripping all this rock up, all of this brick, and we're just gonna do that for this whole area. We gotta pull up some stumps, so hopefully I can capture this footage pretty good for y'all, and let's have some fun. Okay, guys, as you can see, we got the fence tore down, and we started right here. Got these red bricks up. Most of the roots are gonna be right here. Big old tree, but we just scooped these out, no problem. And that's how it should be for the rest. To be honest, we just gotta separate the white from the red brick. So hopefully that shouldn't be too hard, but keep it going. Sheesh. Well, that's not good. Alrighty, guys, we're coming along. Piece by piece, getting these bricks out. We got to do like a load of white and then a load of red. Just going back and forth, so coming along, coming along. Okay, guys, we are coming along. We got all that tore out back there. Everything over here is gone, and all we have left, well, we just did this walkway through those doors, and this is literally all we have left. This big kind of fountain area, and then this part we're gonna have to deal with the mini, and then just try to level everything out as best as we can. Take a couple of those piles, that rock, those piles, and this pile. Pull out this stump real quick. She is pretty loose already, so one pull. Sheesh. Want to be smarter with the big old claw. Toughy, toughy. Alrighty, guys, it is coming along. So we got literally everything ripped out now. So people didn't even know, but we found 2 septic tanks that the homeowner didn't even know about. So, and we literally almost fell in, which is crazy. But all the brick, here's a piece right here. All the bricks and rocks are ripped out. As you can see, all that fountain is gone. All those are gone. And now we just need to kind of level everything off so that it looks nice and tidy. You get some more of these roots picked up, and we should be wrapping it up pretty soon. Okay, Bazo, wait. The brick. All right, guys, as you can see, we are cleaning up now. Just making some trips to the burn pile. So this fence right here, we weren't even supposed to take it down, but we weren't supposed to take the fence down because another contractor was gonna do the fence, but I guess he bullshitting or whatever. So we're gonna put in a quote for the fence. We'll see how that goes. But as I was saying, right now we're just cleaning up, trying to level everything off, cleaning up the trees and debris that are gonna go in the burn pile. But there's all the brick that we transported over there. Wow, guys, it is looking amazing. Definitely a lot flatter than it was before. We got a little bit of some twigs left that we're taking to the burn pile. But like I said, we're leaving all this for the people that are doing the fence. But it looks amazing. Gotta move these last bricks and we'll be out of here, man. Guys, wrapping it up for today. Wow. I did not know we were gonna get it done this fast. And definitely a lot of hard work. But as you can see, all the rocks, everything tore out, leveled as much as we could. And we're gonna come back on Sunday after the rain, finalize everything, load these bad boys up, haul them home. As you can see, it is Sunday. Beautiful day. We're just finishing up here and loading up this equipment. So like I said, we are giving her a fence quote. So we'll see how that goes. But that's crazy. That tree is huge. Big old trees, man. Big old trees. But just putting some air in this tire right now because it was a little low.